Rapides Parish Police Jury's Ambulance Advisory Committee has released its results of how they chose their recommendation for a sole ambulance provider for the parish. Colin Vidros has the latest on how the committee made its recommendation.
We had agreed that the highest point getter would be the one that we would recommend. That was protocol from day one. So it could have been done different ways, but that's the way we agreed to do it. So that's why the recommendation was made. They were very close. It was less than 1% difference between Acadian and Pafford.
On March 5th, the Rapides Police Jury's Ambulance Advisory Committee released its results on why Pafford EMS was their recommendation to the police jury. Pafford EMS scored the highest with 1,765 points, followed by Acadian Ambulance with 1,751 points. Committee members scored each provider's total cumulative points from providers who submitted bids for service. Those points are based on response times, quality, ambulances available to provide, certified EMS drivers, and adequate employees to staff all of Rapides. Ouachita Parish also has a sole provider system and is doing very well with ambulance service, according to the committee chairman.
It does remove, in some people's opinions, any confusion of who to call and who's going to be in line to be responding. So it puts the responsibility solely on one person, one organization. And it's a little easier to evaluate, you know, when you have one organization, one ambulance provider that really provides parish-wide service.
KALB obtained these documents from the police jury through a public records request of Acadian ambulance response times in Rapides Parish. On average, from January 2024 to February 2025, the documents show an 8-minute response time for Alexandria and Pineville incidents, respectively, followed by Rapides at a 12-minute response time and a 20-minute response time.
Clearly, the most important issue is response time. That's a lot of sensitivity to that, obviously, because it saves lives the quicker you get there when someone needs an ambulance. So that seems to be the most important parameter people are looking for, the public, as well as the committee members, I'll be honest with you. And I think we're going to really have to drill down and look at these response times one more time for these two top vote getters. And I mean, everything else was insignificant compared to that.
In December, the police jury adopted new ordinances that provide a much stricter oversight and control system, among other rules.
So it's not going to be just a slap on the hand. It's going to be actually a monetary fine and a loss of your license, possibly, too.
As of now, it is unclear when the police jury will meet to discuss the committee's recommendation. In Rapides Parish, for News Channel 5, I'm Colin Vidros.